Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and guess where I am? That's right, Atlantic City. Guess what hotel and casino I'm in? That's right, the Hard Rock. Checking in here to the North Tower. I believe the room number is 3311 or something like that. Anyway, we'll find out shortly. It's the North Tower, and I asked for a bay view. I'm always getting an ocean view. I wanted to see what the bay view looks like, so I'm going to check that out. I'm going to do some work on a video while I'm in the room and then head downstairs for a quick bite. So join me, let's check into this room, see what it looks like, and then join me for a quick bite back in the room later this evening. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a double shout out to the Camacho family. Robert Camacho found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my last Las Vegas video, Fashion Show. And Deborah Camacho found Captain Morgan in my latest cruise video, Norwegian Cruise Line Getaway Deck Number 8 Tour. Congratulations, the Camachos. Don't touch that dial. Does anything have a dial anymore? Anyway, after the room tour, I'm going to edit some videos. You're not going to see that, but I am going to head down later this evening and get some nachos and bring them back to the room. And you guys are welcome to come along with me, so stay tuned. That's later in the video. In the meantime, let's check out this room.
You You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
No.
Alrighty folks, a couple hours later I got my video all edited up and it's uploading right now to YouTube, and I have to say Hard Rock has some of the fastest internet I've seen in a long time. I think it's faster than my home internet. Anyway, I'm hungry, and with this quick internet I'm gonna run downstairs, grab some nachos, bring them back up, and it should be uploaded to YouTube by the time I get back. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. So I didn't feel like pizza and I didn't feel like a sub. I headed over to Burgers and Hops. This place is open pretty much 24/7, 7 days a week. It does close in the wee hours of the morning. I'm talking like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning until 7 a.m. when it opens again for breakfast. The cool thing about Burgers and Hops is that it serves a lot of different types of food, not just burgers, but if you want chicken tenders, you can get that. Tonight I'm here for nachos. I'm in the mood for nachos just to snack on while I do some more video work upstairs in the hotel room. This past summer, during the season here in Atlantic City, I decided to leave my camera home and take my parents out for a night here at the Hard Rock, an overnight. And I really wanted to have a nice evening with them. I planned on going to a nice fancy schmancy restaurant, but once we got here it was reservations only. So we headed on over to the Hard Rock Cafe, not my first choice, because I really wanted a nice, formal sit-down, nice tablecloth dinner. The Hard Rock Cafe had a 3-hour wait. We ended up eating burgers here at Burgers and Hops. Not the evening I anticipated, but you know what? We had a good time anyway. John Bon Jovi's upstairs in the elevators on the floor that I'm in. I don't know if you noticed that or not. And he wrote a song called You Want to Make a Memory. And we made a memory that night. And that's all that really matters, right? Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. Like I said, I wasn't in the mood for a burger or some pizza or a sub. I wanted something light and healthy. That's why I ordered these nachos. Now, most of you know my sense of humor, and that light and healthy comment will put a smile on your face, but there's a couple of you out there that just don't quite get my sense of humor yet, and I'm sure you'll leave a comment about that light and healthy remark I just made. Those are the comments that put a smile on my face. These nachos are delicious. I ordered them pretty much as is. The only thing I asked them to do is leave off the guacamole. I'm not a huge guac fan. It doesn't ruin a meal for me, but if I could leave it off, I will, and I did ask them to leave it off. Other than that, it's pretty much loaded, and it has a lot of chili. I don't know if you can see the chili in these shots or not, but I really am enjoying these nachos. They use the tricolor tortilla chips, and for those nacho aficionados out there, you all know that nachos don't travel that well. After a good 15-20 minutes, they start to get soggy, especially in a sealed container. It's quite a trip from where I got these back up to the room, and then I left them sitting in the container for about 5 or 10 minutes. So they did start getting a little soggy, but hey, that's what spoons and forks are for, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.